Hey Excel users, today we're tackling a common issue many of you have faced after a recent Microsoft update. If you're a Microsoft 365 or Office 2021 user, you might have noticed that the From Microsoft Query button, which used to be in the Get and Transform group on the Data tab, has mysteriously vanished. But don't worry, I've got a quick workaround for you. Here's how to get it back in just a few simple steps. First, right-click anywhere on the Quick Access toolbar. Select Customize Quick Access toolbar from the menu. In the drop-down under Choose Commands from, select All Commands. Now scroll down the list until you find From Other Sources, Get Data. Click on it, then hit the Add button to move it to your Quick Access toolbar. Click OK to save changes. And there you have it. You'll now see the button in your Quick Access toolbar. When you click it, you'll find the Get Data from Microsoft Query option right at the end of the dropdown. This little trick ensures you can still access this powerful feature even after the update. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Have any other Excel features gone missing on you? Let me know in the comments, and I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching, and happy querying.